Back again. So we left it last time. We were looking at random numbers with this piece of code here, which will just loop around 20 times, add a random number to the list randstore, the array randstore. I don't need to be picky about it, and then eventually print it out. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to wrap it in a function, or probably speaking a procedure. So remember, in Python you define your procedure with def and I'm going to call it randgen, pair of brackets. I don't have any parameter values I want to put in. Now I want to make sure that all of my code within the function is properly indented, so I've just done that. Okay, so we got that goes on, that goes on, that goes on. Now I need a means of calling my code. Now I could of course just run it and then type in the function name, but I'm going to use the simple way of doing it, which is just to call my function down there. So let's have a little look at this. Let's run the code. Oh, there we are. It's done exactly the same as before. It's just printed it out. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to reduce the list down because it's going off the edge of my screen, so I want to make it just a little bit prettier. So if I hit F5 this time, now it's 10. There we go. And if I move that over, okay. Now I could tidy this up, of course. I could have a little bit of literal text in there. The list values are, there we go. Oh, if I could spell list, that would be so. The list value and values, of course, that would be brilliant, wouldn't it? The list values are, so let's give this a little go. Let's run it. There we are. The list values are 135, 148, and so on. So that's me. I've just wrapped that in a simple function, and off we go. Okay, thank you very much.